how to manage SMS notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage SMS notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing you're going to do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click this one, settings. Click on it and then go down and you will find here notifications. Click on it and then go down until you find SMS, and just click SMS and add your or manage anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.